The magnificent scenery changes around every corner as we make our way to Mallaig and then on by boat to the Isle of Skye. At the end of the famous West Island Railway and the romantic route to the Isles, only a 1 hour's drive from Fort William, lies the historic fishing port of Mallaig. Mallaig is a bustling fishing port and prides itself on its fresh seafood and traditionally smoked kippers. Mallaig's port will take you further afield, offering Calmac ferry services to the Isle of Skye. Mallaig is strung out around the wonderful southwest facing amphitheatre of Mallaig Bay. It is the largest settlement on Trotternish, the most northerly of the collection of peninsulas that come together to form the Isle of Skye. The campsite was first established in 1969, completely refurbished with all new toilets, showers, laundry and washing facilities installed in new purpose-built premises. They will do all they can to make your stay enjoyable. They also have facilities for wheelchair users. Please let them know if you need a reserved space prior to your visit. And be sure of a great Yorkshire welcome. Skye is a truly magical place, the largest of the Inner Hebrides. It's home to some of Scotland's most iconic landscapes. Whether you are visiting for a few days whilst on a tour of Scotland, or staying for a longer spell, the island has countless ways to enchant you. With its mountain ranges, miles of dramatic coastline, and captivating history bring you the sense of adventure.